Well, if you have a Toyota or Toyota, how you want to call it, and you have the auxiliary airflow valve problem, you can do two things. Buy the expensive one, like this one, because it's the best thing you can do it. Or if you don't have the money in the moment, and you want to fix the problem, see this one, I take apart, and this one has its position, and the position is that little part, like a little gap there between, and facing this way, and see the gasket there, and then you four bolts. This one will wanna be melted when that thing gets stuck here, and the position the thing will be stuck there. So you can do two things: clean this thing before damage more like this one, and try to make it seal this part. If that thing seals, that thing don't get stuck. And mechanically here, you can use W40 and try to seal. And if you put some air from here, they have to be closed. And the other way is, the other thing you have to do it is, if you see the gap there, and if you see light go through there, if you be close there, it's like little rocks or debris holding the valve in open position. Sometimes when you push the gas a little bit more strong, that thing move out of the way, but it's too much risk. Basically, you have to use like a knife or something to make it close. See, like a spring, like exhaust on the weed eater is basically almost the same. And this thing opens there like that, and they letting go the gases, move air, fresh air go through this area, and this one exhaust. So the gases that accumulate inside each bank, in this case the number one, I replaced that one new one, because we tried a few times to clean it up and everything, and it was working for years like that, and we were so tired to do that. And the last part was stuck complete on and melted, because when this thing gets stuck in open position, you got the risk to damage the valve like this one, and either you have the chances to turn this open, melt the circuit here, and get insured, and you're probably going to be able to crank it. Just crank those start, and you're losing the reference of 5 volts for one of the signals here. And it's a popular Toyota do that, and especially when the valves are together next to one another in different models, that thing gets stuck and get insured circuit, and drop the voltage of the 5 volts reference for many of the main sensors, and map sensor and temperature sensor. Anyway, they share the same reference, and you will have a trouble. So in this case, we decide for safety of the customer, just buy a new one after a few years, just give it maintenance. And the last part was sparking, and we see that thing coming on, so we decided to replace it. They are a little more expensive. Don't buy the aftermarket; it will be a pain, and the quality will be so low. The originals hanging there for 300, 400, depends on the price of the market, but it's worth it to do it. Let me put the pause so I can clean the thing and move the debris, and you can see it. Well, when you clean it up, and you can remove the bolts there and flip it or clean it up and be in that little bin, they have to be closed. But they don't warranty that thing is deformed or don't feel good. So the recommended thing is to replace it. But if you have an emergency, you can try to clean it up, and you will have a little gap there. But the more close possible, you'll be detect the signal is off. Just for an emergency, you can do that. So hope this information helps somebody there. Thank you.